Changed your oil, but that red oil light is still flashing on your dashboard. In this video, I'll explain why the oil pressure warning light might stay on even after a fresh oil change, and show you exactly how to fix it. The oil warning light doesn't just mean you're low on oil, it usually signals low oil pressure, which can cause serious engine damage if ignored. Here's how to fix it. Test your oil pressure. A mechanical oil pressure gauge can tell you the actual pressure. If it's low, the issue might be a worn-out oil pump or a clogged pickup screen in the oil pan. Check the oil pressure sensor. A faulty sensor can trigger a false warning even if your pressure is fine. Luckily, replacing the sensor is a cheap and easy fix that often clears the oil light immediately. Inspect the wiring. Corrosion or loose connectors can send incorrect signals to your dashboard. Simply inspect the sensor plug and wiring harness, clean any corrosion, and make sure everything is securely connected. Double-check the oil and filter. Using the wrong oil grade or a cheap oil filter can cause inaccurate readings. Make sure you're using the manufacturer recommended oil, like 5W30 or 0W20, and install a quality oil filter. Reset the oil change light. Some cars require a manual reset after an oil change. You can do this using your dashboard controls or a diagnostic scanner. Check your owner's manual for the steps. And that's it. If your oil light is still on after an oil change, you now know what to check and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more DIY fixes, and tap the bell so you never miss a solution for your dashboard warning lights. Let me know in the comments if you've faced this issue, and share this video with anyone who might need it.